On low grade 11, we're doing November 2019, question number 2. Here's the question. Must remember, you may not use filters, you can't use locate or sort or anything like that. You have to use loops, go through the table, and use the delete and insert and edit, and that's all. Yeah, there's a school station shop, and there's a table called orders, and the design view of the table called orders. So it's telling you the column headings, the field names, in other words, what the primary key is, and there's an order date, date time, there's delivery, which is going to be either normal, same day or certified, the quantity ordered, so it's an order number, and then the customer ID, and then the product itself. Right. Okay, complete the code. And what is the ADO table component name? It is TBL order. You would look for that one. Whenever you do a database question, you must look for your TBL component name. The name of the table to be used in your code must be TBL order, which is the ADO table object connect to the database. Okay? So you make sure you got that down. Now, first question. Display the names of all products where the quantity order is greater than 5. So you would go through this table using a while loop and find out where the quantity is greater than 5 and display the names of the products. So what is the field called for the name of the product? It's the product field. So let's do that. Question 2.1. Okay, TBL orders dot first. You've got to get to the first row always. Standard operation. It's TBL orders is the name of the ADO table component. TBL order, not orders, order. And quantity field is called quantity. The product field is the name of the product is product. So, and then you say, wow, not TBL order, not orders. Order dot end of file do. Begin and end. Make sure you say TBL order dot next over here before the end, very important. And then we're going to say if TBL order square brackets quantity is greater than 5, then we're going to display in the rich edit red display dot lines dot add TBL order square brackets product with a capital P, product, in inverted commas. Now you might have forgotten this because we did database at the term 1, so there's some revision. It's in your exam paper, so make sure you take note of all these things. Right, now the next one is 2.2, change one product. So we're actually going to use .edit. There's one order where the product name is listed as none, and you must write code to change the product code from none, the product name from none to this Lenovo Yoga 3. There's only one order where this error was made, so let's figure that one out. We're going to go use a while loop, yep, and we'll have to maybe stop when we find it. var be found colon boolean. There's only one. I don't want to go through the whole table. Be found, set be found equal to false. Let's go to the first row of the table, first record, and then while not TBL order dot end of file and be found equals false and be found equals false. If you know for a fact there's only one and they told you there's only one, then you've got to stop the loop, do begin and end. You do need to go through each row, so TBL order dot next must be added at the end here. Always put it there if you're using a while loop to go through a table. Then we're going to say if TBL order square brackets product equals, and then none. Put that in inverted commas, none. Then what are we going to do? We're going to say TBL order dot edit, and TBL order square brackets product equals colon sign anyway, Lenovo Yoga 3, whatever that is, Yoga 3. And then you have to say TBL order dot post. You also have to say be found equals true. There we go. That's the code. Remember about the be found false and setting it to true, and we know that the loop will stop as soon as they find it, edit and post it. Okay, next question. December orders. Display code to display the total quantities of products for orders that were placed in the month of December. So we're going to get the first 4 characters of the date. So the date is an order date. It's a string. I mean, it's a date data type, but when you read with an ADO table component, you can refer to it as a string. Total must be displayed in the rich edit name already displayed. Right, display the total quantities of products, all orders that were placed in the month of December. So there'll be, we're actually using the those two characters there, okay. You know that order date is a string data type, but don't worry. I mean, it's a date data type in the database, but you'll see what we're going to do. So we'll go to our button, click December orders. We're going to use the same code as always before, order TBL order dot first, and then while not TBL order dot end of file. Now there'll be more than one thing, we'll find more than one thing. So TBL order dot next, more than 1 month with December in it. Now we're going to say let's go and store the date, VARS date, make a variable string. I'm going to say s date equals TBL order square brackets order date. Just got the name, spell the name of the thing right, of the field, order date spelled right. And then I'm going to go and pull out the month. Okay, so I will copy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 from character number 6. If copy from s date starting at character 6 to, if that is equal to 12, then what I want to do, display. We're going to increment a total. Oh yes, we're going to display the total quantities. We're going to add up a total. We're going to have a running total, so I forgot about that. Hey, our total. Make a variable called our total, and then make it equal to 0 before the loop. And I'm going to say our total equals our total plus TBL order the quantity. So is that the right column field name? Yes, quantity. We can add up all the quantities for orders that were placed in the month of December. So they have done it. And at the end here, we will display it in where? In red display. Okay. Red display dot lines dot add into string our total. Okay, you can go and put in the rest of that here. I'm going to run the program, make sure it works so far for all these things, and then we'll do 2.4. So I'm going to run the program. Oops, errors. Didn't close my brackets. Already display. spelling. Right, let's click buttons and see. Quantities over, there we go. Change one product. So there's one that says none. Which one is it? There it is there. Change one product. There it is. Now it's learn over here. 3 December orders. 39. See, I told you it would work. We could even take a date and just use it as a string. That's the beauty of the ADO table component. So then we're going to go to the last one now. 2.4. The question is, user will choose a customer ID from a combo box. You must write code to delete all records which contain the customer ID chosen by the user. And where the type of delivery is listed as normal. Before you delete, you must display the order ID of the record to be deleted in the rich edit. If no record is deleted, then display a message saying no records deleted. So there's going to be many things to delete. How are we going to tell if nothing was deleted? So it's quite a tricky one, hey? Let's have a look. Customer ID chosen by the user with the type of delivery which contain the customer ID. All records with the customer ID chosen by the user. Well, we just have to look up customer ID to see if it matches the combo box input and where the delivery is listed as normal. There's delivery column and customer ID column. And we display order ID before we delete. So let's go through let's go get the thing from the combo box there. The customer ID. CNB customer. Fine. VAR S cust :string. S cust equals CMB CMB customer dot text. Quick way is to use dot text property here. And then we're going to go through our table, TBL order dot first. Then while there's going to be more than one, not TBL order dot end of file do, begin and end. Maybe we need to have a Boolean variable here. TBL order dot next, because they're saying if nothing was deleted. Right, let's go make a be found Boolean. We will set be found equal to true. I mean false. False, and we'll go through this. But you see, we're going to find, we want to go through every single row. But if you find something to delete, then we want to set be found to true. Doesn't matter. We just want to know whether. But we're not going to put it in our condition because we're not going to stop when we found one. So what we have to do is say if the customer ID, so TBL order, square brackets, customer ID, if that equals S cust, the one from the combo box, then, and there's two conditions. What is the other condition? We're only deleting for two conditions, and the type of delivery is normal. So we want to delete all records which contain the customer ID chosen by user and the type of delivery is normal, so we have to have an and statement here. I'll put it in the next line. And TBL order, oops, where am I? Sorry. And open brackets, TBL order, square brackets, what is the type of delivery column called? Delivery. And normal with a capital N. Right. Delivery equals, and then inverted commas, normal, single inverted commas, close the brackets. If you have two conditions, you use brackets around each one, and because it's and. So both of those conditions must be true. Then we will do TBL order dot delete, but they say before we delete We also got to say b found equals true, because we want to know whether we deleted anything at all. And if you just delete one, you know, then b found will be true, and afterwards we'll check to see if b found is true. Okay, so you must display the order ID of the record to be deleted in already display. So already display dot, keep spelling display wrong, dot lines dot add TBL order square brackets order ID. There we go. Set b found to true, TBL order delete. And should we put an else here? Yes, we should. Else TBL order.next. It's very important, because when you delete, you're actually moving every record, the records up. You might miss one. So whenever you're deleting, and you're deleting more than one thing in a table, you must have the else.next. Very important. Now, to find out if no records are deleted, well, that b found variable was keeping track of that. So we can say, if b found, even if b found was true just once, if b found is false, because nothing was deleted, because if b found stays false, then we're going to have a message saying, where are we going to put the message? Display the message in the rich edit. Already display dot lines dot add no records were deleted. Okay, and that's it. So we're going to run the program and check it against these details here. Let's check it out again. It's quite tricky, hey? We had to have a Boolean variable that's going to go set to true. Even if you just found one occasion, then that must be set to true. But we're not using it in a while loop, because we want to go through every single record, because there will be more than one that we'll delete. And because there's more than one delete, we have to use else there. Else.next. So this is basically doing the delete. Else we go to the next row. Alright, so let's run it and see what we get. Sorry for shouting. Right, so let's choose the customer that they want us to choose. AG10330. Okay, I'm going to choose AG10330. Delete. No records are deleted. Choose CC12550. Click delete, and then we have those. So it works perfectly fine. Right, see you on the next one.